Yeah, go foreign and make on the money and come back home. Yo, video the thing. Video the thing. And that we are talking about. So now deal with that we are talking about. Go foreign, make on the money and come back and Jamaica come Lisbon. Yeah, man.
Real thing, I thought.
Real thing. Eyes is eyes.
Yeah, man. We are the best set of people in the world. We travel the world. We go everywhere in the world.
Oh, man.
We are the best people in the world. We don't want to body them all and go on like say. We don't want to kill one another. I don't want to go on like we don't want to pay the teacher them. I don't go on like we don't want to pay the doctor them. I don't go on like we don't want to pay the hard-working people them who hold up the backbone of Jamaica. Yo, we don't deal with the people them and take care of the people them because what? Out of many we are one.
True, man.
Take care of the people them. Because the people them are the backbone of the island.
The real artists.
Oh.
Big up yourself, Shabba. You done, man.
Yeah, man. Take care of the people them. Especially the teacher them.
Yeah.
Especially the doctor them.
Yeah.
I say the policeman and we are secure everybody boy. Yo, respect them. Yo, come on, phone for the bread,
And they get to youths them.
And they get to use them.
the ghetto youth them know them once them see me, you know. I'm responsible for ghetto progress, you know, because what? I love uptown people everything, you know, but the sidewalk I sit down for night and day. No matter where I go. I poor people crown me where I don't know.
Original
Yeah, I want to watch entertainment report, you know, because if big dirty stinking Shabba Dep on it, then a big report. Honorably, no.
Yeah.
How will them say me do? Me OD?
Best DJ too.
Them say me OD?
Best DJ thing, I tell them.
Alright then.
I tell them, Shabba. Shabba. You are my DJ. Best DJ.
Nah, stop making do it, yeah?
Big up, Shabba. Long time I listen to it, brother. Yeah. Long time I listen. Hear that from your youth. Brand new sitting. Every time, my boss.